Today I will be showing you how to make my custom LEGO Excalibur, as well as reviewing the system and the launcher. First, you will take a 4x4 in any colour and a 2x2 in which can also be any colour, and place it in the centre. You will then flip it around and bring two by 4s in red. Of course, you can also use and put them on the sides. Then you will add two, and either you could use these or a 4x4 in red. Then the sword face will be a 2x4 in light grey. Then you will use brackets like this on either side of the sword. Then smaller brackets will fill in the gaps. After that, put it down and use a 2x1 with one stud connection with a flat 1x1 stud in gold. Put it on, and now you have the handle, which will go on either side of your sword face. Then this is where the sword comes out, with this 2x1 in light grey on the opposite side to the handle. Also, the previous Excalibur/Xcalius have had a yellow plastic bit stopping the opponent stopping around the sword, the metal sword. So I've added that here too. You use two yellow slopes and put them onto this side of the sword. Then you have the basic sword done. Next, you will pick up, then you will get 4 blue 1x1 slopes and put it around both the handle. Put 2 on either side of the handle and 2 on either side of the swords. Next, you'll pick up 2 red 1x2s and put them under 2 slopes, either a double slope in blue or 2 blue double slope or 2 blue half slopes, half whatever these are, and put them on the other 2 sides. This is the main layer done. Now for the stud connection. Now for adding the stud connection, you use 2 4x1s in two 4x1 flats in blue. But of course, it doesn't matter what color this is. This is just my color is based on the originals. Then you put them on the sides. The sides, put them like this. If you put it on the opposite side, it will have less structural integrity. You will then need to put these 2 2x1s in blue, and then that's the main stud connection. Finally, you will add 2 2x1 flats in blue, or whatever your preferable color is, and fill in the last 2 gaps on the bottom. And this is the LEGO Excalibur/Xcalius layer done. So now that you've made the layer of of my Lego Excalibur-Xcalius. Now we'll be making the disc of my Lego system. You will start with a hollowed out 4x4 in light grey to represent the metal, and then you'll add the brackets just like you did with the layer of Lego Excalibur. Once you've done that, you will then put a 4x1 in light grey flat on top of it. It will be just like the layer. It will be stronger if you put it on top of the longer brackets. Then there's 2 spots there which you will fill in with 1x2 flats in preferably the same colour, which as I said looks, I think in my opinion, better if in light grey because it looks like metal. Next, you will get a 2x1 in light grey and put it on the longer side, not the two shorter sides. And you will put 2 yellow slopes on it, just like the sword. And then, but instead of using blue on the sides, you use yellow. This layer is mimicking the Excalibur layer, my Lego Excalibur layer. So just like Excalibur's previous discs, so it can use dual saber and I think it's triple saber. On the opposite side to the sword, you will put another 2 yellow slopes, but this time instead of having a sword, you'll have a flat 2x1 in yellow that will go in the center. Then you will add another 2 1x2 light greys on the sides, and just like the layer, will make it round. So other than where the handle should be, it should mimic exactly the same shape as the layer. Other than the handle, that is. Next is the driver. You will start with a round 4x4 circle plate in blue, and you will stack another one on top. Although I do believe these aren't very common, so you can always use a different color if you don't have any. You will then use a 2x2 round plate and put it in the center of the disc or the driver. And then, like Excalibur's previous drivers that have a metal contact point that touches the stadium, to mimic that, within the possibilities of Lego, I've just used a shining silver stud that might be a bit difficult to get in at first. And finally, you can use a block, a 2x2 block in any color. It doesn't have to be red. Just as I've said, it's like just to match Excalibur's. Now, the system. The way my system kind of has like a has this disc that, just like a chassis, clicks onto the layer. Finally, the driver fits in between, and Excalibur has its dual, just like I was mentioning earlier, the dual and triple saber. If you're wondering why it's called that, you might know why it's called dual saber, because 1, 2. But if you're wondering why triple saber, it's because the disc has a sword. There's the metal sword, but then there's also the plastic sword. Finally, so you can do it in a more balanced mode, but I think it acts strong better in the dual or triple saber mode. The launcher is just Lytastic's design, so go to his channel